Good evening, everybody. Fan Steve here once again. It is Monday, April the 7th, 2025. I have had a busy day. It's been a rainy, cold day outside today. And yes, those colder temperatures are lingering around. So anyway, I thought I'd do some stuff here on the inside today. I've done a little bit of little bit of this and a little bit of that. And yes, I have rearranged my room once again. Tidied up in here, cleaned up, did some organizing. Took some stuff out from my shelf there beside my bed and put them over here in my little cubby that I got. And I've got my lamp up here and some other stuff. I'll let you have a look inside. The cord will get out of the way. Alright. This is where I keep some of my equipment. I've got some cans of paint in there, a stash of power cords and wires and fan parts and stuff like that. Got some more tools and stuff in here. Really not much of anything in here. Just some other stuff I put up for storage. It was kind of cluttered in here, so just a little bit of stuff where I can get that set up until I can make more progress. Some other stuff I've got down here, those are just some cords and stuff like that. A little basketball and a ball and catcher that I bought just recently. Trying to remember if I got that on one of my last videos or not. If not, then I'll be showing them off. This is my dresser here beside my bed where I've got my cassette tapes. It was really messy down here. I had a bunch of different stuff down there, and I got that all cleaned up today. That down there, that's just a bag of clothes that I got, some summer clothes. This is my media space where I've got my computer. There's my little lamp there. The top actually came off, and as you can see, I finally got that fixed today. Just fixed it with some hot glue, and it fit right back on there. And this is my workshop / studio. I've got this all cleaned up too. So I've got all of my tools there, nice and neat. I'm working on getting a pegboard to put up in here. That way it'll be easier to put up more of my tools and get those organized. That way I'll have everything is right in front of me and I'll have it in order. That way I can get what I want and just put it right back up there without having everything all in one big pile. That way it'll be easier to work here on the table. There will be a lot more room. This is a project that I recently worked on, and as I mentioned in a recent post, I have a long video that I need to get put up. I just been so daggone busy with stuff on the outside and here in the house. So just be patient with me, and I'm going to be working on getting all of that on my computer here to where I can get that put into the editor, and that'll be the next best thing. Finally got this thing working, and I'll wait until I've gotten the video posted, and then I'll put an actual showcase like I've done with some of my other fans. This thing runs. runs just perfectly. Really wasn't much of anything that I had to do to it. It was more like a simple restoration. Luckily, I didn't have to paint it. Anyway, took it all apart, tore it down, cleaned it up, got it put back together. I'm going to let you see it for yourself. Used it last night for the first time, and it did a pretty dang good job. Here's another little project that I did. This is another one of my Wizard box fans. And I just recently made a video of this, which you see down here underneath my work table that I've got put up. If you remember the video that I did of Wizard box fan restoration for Christina, this was an old video if you remember it. Well, anyway, this is that same one. This has been buried in my closet pretty much ever since I moved here into my new house. Thing was rusting and just corroding and everything, so I finally got it back out, and I've got it all painted up and everything. Works great now. I've got it painted a brown clay color. Actually, there is another fan collector. He's not on YouTube anywhere. He's on iHeart Fans, and he's got one just like mine where he did his exactly like the same color, and that's sort of what inspired me to do it. Anyway, I just thought I'd show that to you. This is a vacuum cleaner that I've got here for my room. This is a Power Force Compact Turbo. We've had this for a while. Maybe I'll be making another video of this again. I've seen that people have been watching my videos on vacuuming, getting good views on those. So Andrew, my buddy Andrew from Technological Heritage, did a post of a setup that he did with this fan, so I figured I'd go ahead and do the same. Nothing major here. This is where I keep most of my fans put up. There's my other Wizard, there's my Stilton, and my GE Hasek. Some others there I've got buried away in my closet that I do not feel like getting to right now, but I'll be showing that off to you later on. This one, I'm probably going to be doing a cleaning with that one because that one's been in use and it's pretty dirty, and I do plan on getting a video of that. There's a GE Hasek fan. I did get that working, but however, there's a little bit more that needs to be done to it. I just need to find out the right time when, but that is going to be put in use this fan season. That's just a bunch of stuff that I've got stored under my desk here, just some papers and stuff like that. This was from the old shelf that I had. I was cleaning that out, and I was putting that all up in my cubby over there, and I was able to get all of that out and get rid of that other one to make more space, and I just kind of kept on to that one for extra storage until I could do a little bit more. So, go ahead and I'll turn that on for you. I have that on charge, and it's fully charged now, and it's been days since I've used it, so I think that looks pretty cool. There's my fans up there. Nothing's really changed much over here. I just got over here and I cleaned it. I dusted it today. There is my Dragon Ball Z toy collection that I've got. Some other stuff. There's some shirts. So, anyway, everybody, I just thought that I would show you what I have been up to, and A little something to keep you on your toes until I can pump out more videos. So, well, there you go, everybody. Just thought that I would show you a video of my studio here and some cleanup that I've done. I hope that you all have enjoyed the video. And until the next one, over and out.